In this clip, we're going to talk about the last step involved in changing your valve cover gasket. Anytime you open the engine, you allow contaminants to enter it, be it seen or not. What you're going to want to do is run the engine for a brief period of time, 30 seconds or so. What that'll do is pump the oil up from the oil pan, and it'll reach all the components inside the engine. And when the oil drains back down, when you shut the engine off, it will take any of the particulate or airborne debris that has entered your engine down to the oil pan. The last thing you want to do after servicing, in this case your valve cover gasket, is to perform a oil change. Drain the oil out, remove the filter, reinstall your new filter, put the plug in, and fill it up. If your engine happens to be particularly leaky, if you suspect that you have more trouble than just your valve cover gasket, they have available at your local parts store, if you ask at the counter for it, an oil dye. What that will do is it comes in a small bottle, about so big. You'll take and add that right in with your oil during that fresh oil change and run the motor. Run it for approximately 100 miles, just doing your daily driving. What that dye will do is indicate exactly where any additional leaks that you may have are coming from. It's a bright green color, and you can't mistake it.